Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you a simple trick how to make your aquarium look big. So as you can see, I've made a few modifications in my aquarium Sobo 600, and to give it a bit of depth, because these aquariums are really small, they are tall, they are wide, but they are not very deep. So give it a bit of depth, as you can see, I've added a few stones in the background, and these are pretty big stones. So what I've done is a simple trick. As you can see, the aquarium is not very big, so I've added a few stones in the back and added a background. So this is what is giving the impact of it having a certain kind of depth to it. So you can also add some stones or some kind of a background, a 3D background, which will give it a bit of depth, so it will make it look much more better. And as you can see here, this is the new aquascape, and I shall be continue to improve the aquascaping, but right now I'm worried about the health of my mollies, so I did a complete water change and added all the additives, and I've ordered another filter system for the aquarium. So let us hope that the mollies are healthy, and I think one of the mollies is about to have babies as well. This one in the corner is getting pretty fat, so if anybody has idea what a pregnant molly looks like, do let me know. Of course, this is the male with around 4 or 5 females in it. And let me show you the live feed for the my sick fish is going on, so no one's watching it, of course, but here it is. And I had been continuously keeping monitoring its health, but it's kind of deteriorating every time I watch it. So there's not much improvement in the fungal infection, although I had added the fungal aid and the other medicine which was recommended by Aquadine. So I'm not very sure if you can see it, but it hasn't improved much. So somebody told me not to feed the fish for 3 days, and if you can see it on the screen, let me show you it on the screen. There it is. So this fungal infection has actually grown out a bit, and which is equally looking bad. So I've decided to give this fish a rest. Of course, I'm not going to add this into my this tank, because then these mollies also might catch the disease. And yes, let us hope for the best, as my channel is bad fish, so most of my fish go bad after a while. These mollies have survived. In fact, one of the mollies has survived since day one when I bought it, and now it seems to be pregnant as well. So probably I'll have to invest in a kit, and I'm not being very lucky with the goldfish part of it. So yeah, let's hope for the best. And yep, cheers, take care.